Okay, hello, what's up guys? Good afternoon, good morning, good evening to everyone wherever you are in the part of the earth. I'll just make a short video, unboxing video. I will unbox my order from AliExpress. So I ordered a case for my Note 20 Ultra for my phone Note 20 Ultra. So I ordered one. I saw it in AliExpress. It's a metal case. So this is a metal case. So unboxed already. This one just arrived today. It's Batman. So that's it. It's come with this. Really bubble wrap. And this one. Okay. Wow. It's very nice. I ordered the black. So it comes with the tools, screwdriver. It's a Phillips screw driver with a Batman I don't know what you call this one, but it's like it's a keychain. Okay, so you can use keychain, so it's very nice. It's a metal one, and it's come with a screw, small screws there with a strap if you want to put it, and it's the case. It's black with a Bat logo. Okay, so this is I think it's aluminum. This is aluminum. Okay, so it's have already screw here, and it's have this extra screw here. We have already screw here just to remove this one to put the phone. So we need to remove this first. Okay, I think it's enough to remove this. You just insert the phone here. I don't know if we can insert it. I will try. Then removing all of this. So let's see. Okay, so I'll try it to insert here. Oh, so I think we need to remove this one. Okay, so it's fit. So guys, by the way, I'll remove it first. Here it's have a rubber, it's a rubber here to protect your phone from the aluminum so that it will not scratch your phone, the edge of your phone. So it's also have rubbers here. I don't know if this is a rubber, but so that your phone will not, the edge of your phone will not be scratched. So first I need to clean first my phone before I will finally put it. Oh, so see, it's been removed. When I put my phone and I try to remove it again, it come out with the so be careful guys. The rubber there is supposed to protect the phone, it came out. So be careful. Now I need to put something here so that just to protect the edge of my phone, that it will not be scratched. Okay, so guys, I see a little bit problem here. You see this one. Okay, if you see here, it's flat, so it's horizontal. But if you see this one, it's a little bit down. So this should be straight, aligned with here, but this one is not straight. So when put the phone, see, it's not aligned, so that's the problem here. But nevertheless, I can still put the phone. I will try to put the phone and put this lock, and I will see if it can hold it properly. If it can hold it tight, if the phone will not move, because if the phone will move, it will scratch your phone here. It will damage your phone this side. So I will try to put the phone, and then if it speaks, then it will be good. But if it's keep moving, that will be the problem. It will be a problem. Okay. So before I will put it, I will just make sure that I will add additional protection here. Maybe I will put some sticker, because this is already aluminum. I will put some sticker here just to add some support for my phone, to avoid some scratches to the side of my phone. Okay guys, so I put some tape here, electrical tape. I cut it in small pieces, just the size that it can fit here. So I put the tape here, additional just additional protection for the phone, so that it will not scratch the phone. And I will remove everything here so that we can fit it properly, and also to avoid damage our phone. I need to remove also these two small pieces here, so I need to remove it. I'll try to remove only one, and we will adjust. Okay, there again, like that, and this is open. So yeah, then I will just close this one. So okay, that's it, it's already fixed, but I did not yet put this one, the front flat. Okay, so put this here. Okay, next the lower. Okay, it's done. So I have my metal case for my Note 20 Ultra. It's a Batman, Bat logo with a this is very nice. It's a keychain. I think this is also an aluminum, so it's come with your case. So my phone is a bronze color. It's not the black one. So if your phone is black, so it will be maybe look better. So that's it guys. So it's a metal case from AliExpress, Note 20 Ultra. Okay guys, by the way, the price of this is I think around 70 real, I don't know, 70 Saudi real. So it's just only $19 without the shipping. Including shipping, maybe it's 22 or around like that. $22, like it's 25, let's say 25 US dollar. Okay, so that's it. That's last part of the video. Thank you for watching guys. So by the way, if you did not yet subscribe here to my channel is not only for unboxing of items. It's a mix one for traveling, vlogs, everything that I'm doing in my life. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more unboxing videos, but not always. It depends if I order something online like that. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this video. Peace and God bless.